At AgroCares, we often get the question, why do we use near-infrared sensors when mid-infrared gives much better predictions of soil properties? Well, I will not say that the mid-infrared is particularly better. It really depends on the need and expectations of our users and farmers. It is true that the accuracy of predictions based on mid-infrared spectra is much higher. However, there is quite a number of benefits from utilizing near-infrared information. So let's have a look at the top 3 benefits of near-infrared technology. The first one is the cost. Near-infrared sensors are much cheaper and portable. This ultimately enables farmers from any part of the world to perform soil testing. In our experience, cost of measurements are among the top reasons why farmers do not test their quality of soils. The next one would be the ease of use. Near-infrared sensors can be used without prior knowledge or on sample preparation. The benefit of this is that the technique becomes rapid, fast, and definitely much more user-friendly and user-oriented. This enables farmers, without knowledge on soil testing or sample taking, to use the technology and test their soil in a fast and efficient way. Last but not least, that is the speed and efficiency. Near-infrared sensors are excellent monitoring tools. The absolute accuracy of predictions based on near-infrared might be lower than that of mid-infrared. However, the sensors are effective in identifying differences in time and space. This makes them very good tools for on-the-go measurements and applications.